Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 85 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today we're going to be finishing up chromatics with exercise 135 with descending chromatic scales.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
Exercise 135 is deceptively tricky. I find going down in chromatics a little bit trickier than going up because I somehow maybe overestimate the spaces between the semitones, and I always end up just a little bit flat on those on the octaves. So this is a good time. Just make sure you sing through your descending chromatic scale once very slowly to set where those intervals are, and then we can pick up the tempo and do this exercise. And here we're going to take exercise 135. We're going to take the first octave very slowly. Okay, so there's your kind of goal and destination points. So now we're going to speed this up, all right? But you might want to check in if you record yourself and find that it's a little bit messy. Just check in and come back and clean up those chromatics again. And here is exercise 135.